Hello traders, welcome to my screen. Today I'll be explaining EuroCAD. I'm going to explain how I use simple support and resistance to trade the EuroCAD. So if we talk about support and resistance, support is the level in the market in which the price failed to go further lower, and resistance is the level in the market in which price fails to go upwards. So the market will reach a certain level in the market and fails to go that specific level. That immediate turning point become your support or your resistance. So if you check from this level, this market was traded at this level here, this level. So from here to here can be termed as our support level. So here to this level here can term as our support level because the market failed to go further lower. Then if we come to the resistance level, that's a point in the market in which the market failed to go up also. From this level here can be termed as our resistance level. So how can we make money, or how can we trade this market using just support and the resistance in the forex market? So first, once the market gets to a support level, make sure the market should be in a zone, that's the support zone, and should be in a round number. So for the market to be in a round number, use your line and check the price of it. So here you can see the price was 1.49. So just clean about 4 digits from it and add 000 to it. Okay, so this section here will be our round psychological number. So here is our support level, then resistance to, we use the same procedure here. Then we'll convert this, we'll clear our 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll add 0 to it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So this level here termed as our round psychological number. Let me do it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, this level here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, pretty good. So this level here tends to be our round psychological number. So now what are we waiting for? Now we'll be waiting for price to reach either the resistance level or the support level. Then we tend to be interested in taking trade with that level. So now let's move this candle. So you can see this market is going to touch our resistance level. So any immediate point to the market that the market fails to go further and tends to respect that level become our support or a resistance level. So as you can see, the market got to this level here and tend to go upward. So we'll put our horizontal ray here and we'll put another one at the top of the levels. That's the peak of the levels here. So this level here too, because price tends to fail here, tends to fail here. So let's see. So this level here become our resistance level. So now anytime price gets to this level again, we tend to be interested in taking this. So let's see, market's going. So this level here, you see, market taps in the level here 2 times, right? Form something like double top. So 1, 2. So let's see. Then the market respected this level. So now this level become our resistance level. Now let's repeat the market, and with this level 2 here is will be our next support level here. This level here will be our next support because it's the turning point in the market. So now let's see if the market gets to those levels. Let's see the reaction of the candlesticks. So this is the reaction of the candlestick. The market break out this level with a very strong bearish engulfing. So with that, we can't enter a trade. We need to wait for a clear confirmation before we enter a trade. See? So now this level does not hold. So now we clear this level. So now our next level of interest is this level here. Yeah, so this level will become our next support level here. So let's see what the markets will do based with the candlestick confirmation. So we have this market trading this level here, this level here, this level here. So you can see the market created a nice pattern here, right? Something like a morning star, right? Something like candlestick confirmation for entry, right? So as you can see, we have weak rejection, bullish engulfing. So with this market, we'll be interested in buying this level, right? So at least we'll enter our trade from here, and our support level will be our entry. Then the next, let's say this level here will be our stop loss. Then we are targeting the next high again, right? We are targeting the next high. So since then, as we enter the market, we can see the market start to play out. See, the market tends to play out, put us in a beautiful profit, right? The market tends to play out and put us in a very beautiful profit. You see, now the market tends to reach this level again. So our next level of interest is here, and we see candlestick confirmations there, but this level does not also, will keep holding our profit. Now this next level will be our next level of interest because it's a resistance level. So as the market is getting closer to a resistance level, we have a nice candle tapping on a resistance level. We need one more bearish engulfing candle. So we'll be interested in taking our next trade. Let's see if at least the candle weak rejection on the level, another weak double weak rejection. Now we are waiting for bearish engulfing, then we'll be interested in shorting this market. So our stop loss, or our stop loss will be somewhere here, and as you can see, this market play out perfectly. So this is how you can use the support and resistance to trade. It's very simple and easy to determine in the forex market.